Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, this is a mini review video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the lip scrub which is launched by Pilgrim. Well, Pilgrim recently launched their new lip care range and they sent me this lip scrub and want me to do a mini lip scrub review video. But I will share another video for their entire lip care range later on my channel, but this video is about their lip scrub range. So yeah, let's get started. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, Pilgrim is an Indian plastic positive brand and all their products are parabens free, 100% vegan, dermatologically tested and FDA approved. And in this lip care range they have total 2 variants. The first one is this Squalane Pepperment and the second one is Squalane Bubblegum, and they have sent me this Squalane Peppermint lip scrub, and it comes in a very cute packaging. That is how the packaging looks like. It priced at 250 rupees and you're gonna get 8 grams of product. It has ingredients like squalane, sugar and shea butter. If you want a perfect canvas for smooth and soft lips to apply lipstick, then this lip scrub is the right pick for you. So that's all about the product. Now let me just quickly show you the application. So yeah, let's move on to the application. So guys, just because of my profession I have to apply a lot of lip product on my lips, and that is the reason I need to take care of my lips a little extra, and here I will share my quick lip care routine with you. So I have this Pilgrim Squalane Peppermint lip scrub, and guys, it smells very nice. So I'm applying the scrub in gentle and circular motion to buff my lips. The formula is expertly crafted to buff away dry and dead skins, and this is very gentle scrub. So you have to set it for 2 to 3 minutes and then you can remove it with wet tissue or you can rinse it off. Then after scrubbing, like our skin, our lips also needs hydration, so you can apply any of the lip balm or any lip oil on your lips. So now the blank canvas is ready for the lipstick application, and now I can apply the lipstick. So this is it for the product, and now the entire lip care range is available on their website. So if you want to buy any of the Pilgrim lip care product, you can buy directly from their website and you can use this code to get 15% off on their website. Their lip care range is also available on Amazon, so you can buy from Amazon too. And guys, definitely I would like to recommend this lip scrub to you because it has some good ingredients. It has squalane, which help to soften and nourish your lips and also protect your lips from environmental harmful effect. It has a sugar, and sugar is a very good exfoliator and also lock the moisture. It has a shea butter which provides a deep moisturization, nourished our lips and also enhance the skin elasticity. So definitely try this one and let me know how do you feel about this product. And also it has kind of a peppermint smell, which is a very good smell, I think. So yeah, try this one and let me know how do you feel about this product. And that's it for this review. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.